It's your girl, the Glam Princess. I hope you all are feeling sparkly because we are about to get into this DIY. But before we do, y'all, I would like to send a shout out to True Female One. So I was laying down this morning. I had not too long got off from work, and then the phone rang. And it was her, and she called me. We just started talking, and then the next thing I knew, I was in the craft room, y'all, ready to create. This woman, basically, I mean, I didn't even realize what was going on, but I ended up upstairs ready to create. Did not have a clue as to what I was going to make. I have creator's block right now, y'all. So that's why I haven't been really on here, because I really, I couldn't think of anything to really make. She said, make some sconces. I said, you know what? People do like sconces. That's what I said. Sconces, it is. Moral of the story, thank you for encouraging me, supporting me, and giving me ideas. You all inspire me, and I truly appreciate what you all do, because y'all don't realize sometimes we be in these moods or whatever, but just words from y'all, the comments, they mean everything. So with that being said, I hope y'all are feeling sparkly like I said. So let's get into this glam DIY. Okay, so we're going to use our mirror from Michael's, and we're going to use some of our tile that I got from dieflark.com. Here we go. So all we're going to do is we're going to set up a little design. We're going to take some of our towel and we're going to go around the edges. We're going to go in the middle, and we're just going to make a simple design. Nothing extravagant, nothing hard. For this DIY, we're going to use this mirror that I got from Walmart. We're going to use our tiles, and we're going to use this little jar that I got from Dollar Tree, and these two push lights I got from Dollar Tree. And you can use the remote kind, those are better. I just don't have one like readily available. I have some in the house, but not readily available because it's junky in here now. So the first thing we're going to do is outline our mirror with our tile. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is the end result of the mirrored sconces and the mirrored wall decor. Y'all, it turned out beautiful, and I love the design of the sconces. I think it's the last minute DIY, but it turned out pretty good, y'all. So kudos to me. Do not look in the background, y'all. I am in my craft room, and it is terrible. Like really terrible. I can't find nothing, y'all. I hope you all love what you see. And if you do, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this on God? Why you let me find her like this on God?